Welcome to my channel A to Z classes. A is for apple. B is for ball. C for cat. D is for dog. E for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for koala. L for llama. M for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P for parrot. Q is for queen. R for rat. S for sparrow. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Like, share and subscribe our channel.